In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to make the amendment from using your Amazon business as a sole proprietorship to an LLC. So you probably clicked on this video because you are currently operating your Amazon business as a sole proprietor and you would like to learn a little bit more about how to switch your Amazon business from a sole proprietorship to an LLC. Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm an attorney here at Mulai Law, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses without dealing with the complicated legal forms. Our done-for-you service is backed by over 2,300 5-star Google reviews, and we can help you start your business too. So let's go ahead and talk about how to switch your Amazon business from a sole proprietorship to an LLC. You're probably watching this video right now because you're operating your Amazon business as a sole proprietorship. Maybe you've seen your Amazon business grow, maybe it's time to expand your Amazon business, or maybe you've taken the steps or you're thinking about taking the steps to register an LLC to help your brand name on the Amazon platform. If you've never had an LLC, it's likely that you're operating your Amazon business right now as a sole proprietorship. This means that you already have your Amazon business account, you already have a bank account for your Amazon business, and now you're trying to decide what are the next steps. The main reason why you're probably considering starting an LLC, you now want to be able to separate your personal from your business. And you've discovered that setting up and organizing an LLC will provide you with that separation between your personal and your business, but additionally, it will provide you with that personal liability protection. In addition to that benefit, you've figured out that having a LLC will provide your company with a more beneficial and more favorable reputation when working with other providers, other customers. And so now you're trying to figure out what happens if I decide to switch from a sole proprietorship to an LLC for my Amazon business. First things first, when you decide that you want to open an LLC for your Amazon business, you're going to have to notify Amazon of this change. After notifying Amazon that you're making the switch from a sole proprietorship to an LLC, the next step you're going to want to take is you're going to want to open a new business bank account for your new LLC. You're probably asking yourself, can't I just use my existing bank account, that I have set up for my sole proprietorship business for my LLC? The answer to that question is no. When you register and organize a new LLC, you are also required to open a new business bank account specifically for that LLC. In other words, you must open a bank account under the company name of that LLC. Now, when opening a business bank account under your LLC company name, it is very important that you make sure that you separate your personal expenses from your business expenses. Now that you have an LLC, now that you're able to make certain business deductions, it's important that you don't start deducting personal expenses. Say for example, you want to go ahead and take a vacation with your family and you live in California and you want to be able to take a vacation on the east side of the states in Florida. So you decide to hop in your van with your family and all the expenses from the gas to the food to the snacks, you say, hey, I'm going to go ahead and deduct this. I'm going to say that it's business expenses. It is so important that you make sure that you differentiate your personal expenses from your business expenses. And the way to do this is that you can always speak with a business accountant who will be able to provide you with those answers as to whether or not the expenses that you're incurring is tax deductible. So now you have your new LLC. Now you have your new business bank account, which was opened under your company name. Again, you must notify Amazon of this change. Once you've taken care of all of these steps, you will then be able to engage in operations and sales of your Amazon business with customers, and it is likely that you will be able to enter into transactions no no longer as a sole proprietor, but now under the company name of your LLC. Your business is growing, your business is expanding, and this LLC will provide you with that separation between your personal as well as your business. This basically means that if a customer is not satisfied with your product and that customer attempts to sue you for whatever reason, your personal assets will not be touched. These personal assets include a bank account, your personal cars, your house, any sort of investments. All of that will be protected because you now have an LLC, which again separates your personal from your business. One of the main reasons why many clients choose to operate and start and organize an LLC is because one, it builds your reputation. When you're on an Amazon account, on a page, and you see, the company name, the seller, and you see that there's an LLC at the end of that seller's name, it gives you more confidence to purchase that item versus just seeing a regular name. When you have an LLC, you're able to build your reputation. You're able to stand out from the crowd because it's showing your customers that you know what you're doing. You're a legitimized business. You're an effective business, and that is shown through your LLC. Additionally, having an LLC will allow you to deduct certain expenses, but again, those expenses must be related to the business itself. Next, you'll have your new LLC business bank account, which means that you'll be able to build your credit, expand your credit, and you'll be able to continue growing your business even further. So if you happen to have any sort of questions about anything that I talked about in today's video, if you would like to learn more about how to convert your Amazon business from a sole proprietorship to an LLC, if you would like to learn a little bit more about the benefits of an LLC, make sure you click the link in the description box below to book your free call with a professional who can provide you with more guidance as to how to change your Amazon business from a sole proprietorship to an LLC and what types of benefits come from such changes. If you haven't got the chance to yet, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise. If you would like to learn more about business startups, the questions that you must ask yourself when registering an LLC, go ahead and click one of these videos here.